Hello everyone, welcome to the video series on world building with AI. This is the second video. In the first video, we developed a custom GPT that we're going to use in creating the wireframe universe. We called it the universe architect. And so what we're going to be doing in this video is creating the content, the data of the wireframe universe. So we're going to be creating the various planets and the universe as a whole. And remember what I told you in the last video, that we'll be using the top-down method of world building. So we'll start from the planets, the various planets in the universe, and we'll work our way down from there. So all this world building starts from imagination. So a lot of all these things are from my head. So I would just, if you are building yours, you would want to maybe write down like a summary before you move on to ChatGPT or whichever AI software that you're using. So you want to write down a summary of the content of your universe, of your fictional universe. So I have done that here in this document. I'll just show you here. So I call it summary of the wireframe universe. So this is what I have written down, which I will now use. The plan is we'll use this document, upload it on the universe architect, that's our custom AI GPT, and we would instruct the AI to extract the content of this document to build the data, the framework of the fictional universe. So I would explain that in this video. So this is just the summary of the wireframe universe. The wireframe universe has 5 planets: the black, blue, green, red, and white planets. Not much is known about the white planet. I put that there because I wanted the white planet to be like a source of mystery, of spontaneity. So this is the summary of the black planet: highly advanced in technology, rampant use of nanotechnology. The planet's black color is caused by the presence of nanoparticles. So from space, when you look at the planet, I'm saying that there are going to be a lot of black dots that create this black hue, that's where the planet gets its name from, the black planet. So the planet's society could revolve around the innovative use of nanotechnology, which shapes their daily life and culture. The political structure: the planet could be governed by a council of technocrats, scientists, engineers who prioritize technological advancement and ethical usage of nanotechnology. So I'm thinking about a planet that is, governed by the greatest scientists, the greatest engineers, the greatest thinkers. So rather you have like here a planet whereby is governed by politicians. No, in the black planet, the leaders are the technocrats. So that's my idea for the black planet. The blue planet is 95% water. From space, the planet has a blue hue color due to the presence of large surface area of water. So you can see the idea here is just to have a summary. I'm not going into so much details, but just a summary of what makes up the various planets. So this is all written by me. The society and culture. With 95% water surface, the planet's culture could be centered around the ocean. The inhabitants might have developed unique ways of living on or underwater, with floating cities or underwater habitats. See, I didn't go into details of the kind of technology they are using. I just said, okay, they might be living underwater or above water. So I'm going to leave it for the AI to decide how it navigates those details. So we have the green planet. Nature is priority on the green planet. Hence, the planet inhabitants have synergy with nature. So I'm thinking of a planet with a lot of green in that planet. There's a lot of trees, a lot of vegetation in that planet. biomorphic characters and qualities. So already you can see I'm thinking of the kind of characters that will be in the various planets. So that if you're building your universe, yes, I know you are the world stage, building the world stage, but you need to have in mind the kind of characters that would be in your universe, because that would decide the complexities, the characteristics of the world, the physics, the cosmology, the architecture of the world, the kind of characters that live in that planet. So I'm thinking of biomorphic characters in the green planet, characters that are fused with nature. So the complexities, uniqueness, and randomness of nature is celebrated on the green planet. Their technology is fused with nature. So that's it for the green planet. We go on to the red planet. The red planet is highly populated and technologically advanced in AI. So I'm thinking that since this planet is going to be a planet that is highly populated with a lot of human beings, and they have developed AI, and AI usually gets better if it has a large amount of data to train on. So I'm thinking that this planet will have a very, very advanced AI because of the population that it's in that planet. So massive infrastructure and urbanization. So I'm thinking like a cyberpunk kind of feel. And so that's it for the and there are a lot of other things. I put here the bright city lights suggest a bustling, vibrant urban life, largest human army in the universe. So the red planet has the largest human army in the universe, and because of the massive amount of infrastructure of buildings, so the planet is lit up. So that's why it's called the red planet, because from space you see a lot of lights coming up from the planet. So that's the idea of the red planet. So for the white planet, I put it here that the white planet is a secret and hidden planet filled with surprises. So this puts a twist into the wireframe universe. So you can I'm envisioning that I would have characters that will come into this storyline, and they will have some form of abilities and characteristics that is not usually seen in the various planets. So just to put some form of surprise, some element of surprise and spontaneity in the whole wireframe universe. So you want to write down a summary, and I've saved it as wireframe universe world. So what I can do, I'll just save as on my desktop so that we have it there. So I'll save it up. So I'll say summary of the wireframe universe. Okay, so it's here on the desktop. So now you want to go to your AI, your custom AI, and you want to start the process of creating the universe. So let's start. Hello. Oh, sorry, I should have started that. So I have a document which I have typed out the summary of the let's use a summary of the wireframe universe. I want you to go through the document and use the details to create a detailed outline of the wireframe universe planets. So let's go through this. I'm instructing the AI that I'm telling that I have a document which I have typed out a summary of the wireframe universe. Important, always put the name of the universe so it knows that it knows what it's working with. I want you to go through the document and use the details. So I'm instructing universe architect to go through the document and use the details. So it's not going to generate content out of thin air. It's going to use the document to generate data. That is very important. So I haven't done that. I would now click this here and upload the document from our desktop. The summary of the wireframe universe world. Open. Then, okay, I will just, still in the prompt, I will say, I will review everything you generate and approve before going ahead to the next thing. Let's start with the black planet. So what I'm doing here is I want the universe architect, our custom AI, to ask us for approval on anything it generates before moving on to the next thing. So that gives us time to review and read through anything the AI generates. So once we are okay with it, we can say next or instruct it on the next thing to do. So now you want to click this. So let's see what it comes up with. So remember I said let's start with the black planet. So it said based on the detailed summary of the wireframe universe, here is an outline for the black planet. Good. So we can read through it. Black planet outline, introduction. Description of the planet's shimmering black appearance from space, attributed to pervasive nanotechnology particles. Overview of the planet's advanced technological status and its societal reliance on national technology. So you can see it's already doing the geography and the environment. It's already doing the surface appearance, the climate, the landscape. For the climate, it says varied zones, all featuring subtle glints in the air from nanoparticles. Landscape, a blend of futuristic cities with sleek, flowing architecture and preserved natural beauty, altered by nanotechnology. Yeah, that's good. Society and culture, daily life, integration of nanotechnology in every aspect, from self-repairing buildings to adaptive clothing. Good. Art and entertainment, use of nanotech in sculptures, form-changing art, and interactive holographic performances. Good. Traditions, celebrations and rituals showcasing nanotechnological prowess, including festivals with nano display lit skies. So this is good. So it talks about the government and politics, the leadership, the council of nanotechnology experts elected for their contributions to the field, laws and regulations. Talks about the internal relationships, the economy, the tech. So we can just, I will read through this later on. Talks about the economy, the technology, the challenges and the conflicts. So let's see the challenges and conflicts. Ethical dilemmas, debates around the boundaries of nanotechnology use, especially concerning human augmentation and AI. So that's good. It has introduced AI. Environmental concerns, the impact of nanoparticles on the ecosystem and measures to prevent environmental damage. So that's good. So it talks about the unique features. Yes, nano architecture, nanomedicine. Yeah. So this is a summary of the black planet. So what you want to do is create a new document. Now get here and copy. When you're okay with everything you've gone through, you've read through it and you're okay with it, you copy this, paste this in this document. So that's the black planet outline. So next we'll now do the next. So once you're okay with it, then now say, now let's do the next planet. We can say the red planet. So the same thing for this, you copy this and you paste it in the document. So I'll pause the video. While it's generating, I'll pause the video and come up when I've done all the planets. Okay, so we are done with all the planets, and we have created like an outline. We have about 10 pages. So we have the black planet here. We have the red planet. Talks about technology, economy, government and politics, society and culture, geography and environment. We also have the blue planet and the green planet. But what really surprised me was the white planet. Remember in our summary, we said not much is known about the white planet. That's what we gave our AI. We even said white planet. The white planet is a secret and hidden planet filled with surprises. Nothing was given to the AI on the white planet, but when we asked it to generate an outline on the white planet from based on the wireframe universe, it came up with this. And I like it. I've gone through it and I like it. So the introduction, a mysterious introduction to the white planet, emphasizing its secretive nature and the aura of mystery that surrounds it. Discussion on the planet's hidden location and the legends or rumors that entice explorers and scholars from across the universe. Surface and appearance, described as a shimmering white, potentially due to unique environmental phenomena or advanced unseen technology. Talks about the climate, talks about the mysterious landmarks, the inhabitants. For the inhabitants, it says, if any, are thought to be highly advanced, possibly possessing knowledge or technology far beyond other planets. Look at what it says about the leadership. Unknown but speculated to be governed by beings of high wisdom or an advanced AI system that surpasses current understanding. So it's I like what it gave us for the white planet. So it's shrouded in mystery and filled with surprises. So next thing on this document, you want to save as. So I'll just save as on the desktop. Hold on. So I'll say wireframe planet outline on desktop. Now what you do is you go back to the universe architect. Now this is where it gets interesting. Now you go back to your universe architect, your AI, your custom AI, and you click edit GPT. Now we want to go into the GPT builder and put in that wireframe planet outline into the knowledge bank of your GPT, of the GPT. So you click configure here. So scroll down, so you see knowledge here, where you have knowledge. It says, if you upload files under knowledge, conversations with your GPT may include file contents. Files can be downloaded when code interpreter is enabled. So what this means is that when you upload any document on this in this knowledge bank, your GPT automatically absorbs the content of that document and uses it in future content generation. So you click upload files on the desktop, wireframe planet outline. You upload it. So it's currently uploading. I think it's okay, now it's done. Then you click, okay, it's loading, then you click update. So this is a process that you would do over and over again. When you update the data, you re-upload it into your AI. So your AI absorbs that data or that knowledge. Okay, so GPT updated, and so view GPT. So we'll try something now. So now the GPT has been updated with data that has to do with the wireframe universe, the various planets in the wireframe universe. So let's ask it to generate an image that shows like a street view of maybe the red planet. Yeah. So, but let's confirm first. Hello, I just uploaded a document into your knowledge bank. Kindly confirm you have access to it. So I'm just asking my custom AI GPT to confirm that it has access to the document. So it has responded. I have access to your document wireframe planet outline, which includes detailed outlines for several fictional planets: black, red, blue, green, and white. Each planet has its unique characteristics, covering aspects such as geography, society, culture, government, economy, technology challenges, and unique features. How can I assist with this? So confirmed, our GPT has been updated with that particular data. So now let's try something. Let's say imagine you are on a busy street in a city in the red planet. I want you to generate an image that captures the essence of the cityscape. So I want us to see how a particular busy city in the red planet looks like. So let's see this. Okay, let's see this. Let's see this. Let's see what it comes up with. So it's creating the image. So I'll just pause this video and okay. So this is what it came up with. So this is a busy street in the red planet. You can see the details. You can see what we talked about: highly urbanized, highly populated. See, it took note of that. Technologically advanced with AI, it took note of that. Even things flying around. So there's air transportation. See the large buildings with a lot of lights. So it took note of that. So it's our AI is already visualizing the universe, the wireframe universe. So this is a street in the red planet. So let's see a street in the black planet. Okay, so I love this. Can you do same for the black planet? Let's see a street view of showing a cityscape. So let's say for the black planet, let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so this is what it came up with for the street view in the black planet, and I must say this is absolutely amazing. See how it got the details of the black designs, the nanoparticles, the shimmering lights caused by nanoparticles. See how it looks very modern, very advanced. You can see that it looks like an advanced society. And yeah, this works. This looks like a scene from the black planet just from my imagination, and this works. So you can see that our AI is capturing it. So let's try the green planet next. Do the green planet. Yeah, so let's see the. Okay, so this is what it came up with of the green planet, and this is really nice. You can see the fusion with greenery on the buildings. You see the tall buildings with green and yeah, trees along the road. So this captures what we had in our imagination. So this yeah, so I think we're right on track. We're doing okay in terms of creating the wireframe universe. So we have the green planet here. This looks good. We have a street view in the black planet. Good. And a street view in the red planet. So you can already start to imagine the sort of characters that will be in the red planet, their style of dressing, their language. You can start to visualize them. So basically, I think we've made significant progress in creating the wireframe universe. And you will notice for the prompt, I did not say for all these prompts, I did not say a city street view showing tall buildings with greenery and everything. No. So the prompt I gave it was, imagine you are on a busy street in a city on the red planet. I want you to generate an image that captures the essence of the cityscape. So already, because of what it does, that it goes into the knowledge bank of that data that we typed, that we created, of the summary of the planet, and it uses that information to generate the images. So that's how you bring out the content of your universe. So so the next things we'll do, we'll talk about things like we'll create data on history, the physics, the culture, the language. If you want to create a customized, you want to create your own language, a course story, then would make the data for the world more robust. And so whenever you update these documents, you should always re-upload it into your GPT knowledge bank. Then when you keep on updating it, your GPT will be updated with the current information. So in the next video, I will probably talk about the creating characters for your universe. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.